1. Right off the start, Stay at Home is getting a ton of green cubes into their robot. The Waffles grabbing some green cubes, dropping them into the goal. The Waffles get one up in the goal, they're looking to get another. Stay at Home is filtering out a ton of cubes. They've got 3 purples and a ton of greens. The Waffles getting a uniform goal. It looks like Stay at Home is getting a ton of purple cubes into their system. As we get to 25 seconds, you must have switched drivers by now. Stay at Home with 5 purple cubes ready to score. They line up with the goal. They lift up and they get 1, 2, 3, 4 in the goal. And it looks like the Waffles get 4 in the other goal. Stay at Home is dispensing a ton of cubes for that last goal. They're going to go ahead and push off that last red as both teams go for a park. Qualification match number 59. We have
2 partial.